which is kind of practicing asking questions, very basic questions, and also practicing numbers and days. So we'll start with that. So the beginning of this class will be for beginners, basic people, basic learners. And so how we do this is, you see, I've got this information here. Yesterday was Thursday, March 7th. See, this is from Friday, March 8th. Okay, now I will ask you a question, and you have to listen very carefully when I ask you this question. Was yesterday Sunday, March 7th? Was yesterday Sunday, March 7th? Was yesterday Sunday, March 7th? Think about that. According to the information, we're a few days off here. Was yesterday Sunday, March 7th? How do you answer no? That's not correct, because it says yesterday was Thursday, March 7th. So you have to say no. No, yesterday wasn't. No, yesterday wasn't March 7th. No, yesterday wasn't March 7th. Okay. Now we have to ask, what day yesterday? How do you make that question? What day yesterday? What day was yesterday? What day was yesterday? And we're a little bit off on the dates here, so it might be confusing. But yesterday was Thursday, March 7th. Yesterday was Thursday, March 7th. All right, and then we move on to today, which we have to pretend that it's Friday. Okay. So the number 2 is today is Friday, March 8th. So if I make the question, is today Monday? Is today Monday? Is today Monday, March 8th? Is today Monday, March 8th? Is today Monday, March 8th? How do you answer no? No. No, today is not. Or no, today's not. Today's not. No, today's not. No, today isn't. No, today isn't. No, today isn't. Monday, March 8th. No, today isn't Monday, March 8th. Okay. And now we have to make a what day today question. How do you make that? What day is today? What day is today? What day is today? And today, according to the information on the screen, today is Friday, March 8th. Today is Friday, March 8th. Or you can make a contraction with today is. It sounds like this. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Today is Friday, March 8th. Today is Friday, March 8th. All right, now let's move on to number 3. And if we read number 3, this is not true anymore. This is a few days old. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Tomorrow will be Saturday, March 9th. Tomorrow will be Saturday, March 9th. Let's make a yes-no question with that sentence. Will tomorrow be? Will tomorrow be? Will tomorrow be? Will tomorrow be? Will tomorrow be Saturday, March 9th? Okay. Well, yes, it will. According to the information, yes, it will. Let's change that. Will tomorrow be Wednesday? Will tomorrow be Wednesday? Wednesday, March 9th. Will tomorrow be Wednesday, March 9th? How do you answer no? How do you tell me no? No. No tomorrow. No tomorrow will not be. No tomorrow will not be Wednesday. No tomorrow will not be Wednesday, March 9th. No tomorrow won't be. No tomorrow won't be. No tomorrow won't be Wednesday, March 9th. Okay, now let's make a what day tomorrow be question. What day? What day will? What day'll tomorrow be? What day will tomorrow be? What day'll tomorrow be? What day will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Saturday, March 9th. Tomorrow will be Saturday, March 9th. Tomorrow will be Saturday, March 9th. Let's go back and take a look at some of the mistakes that the student made when making the question. Let's see. Our question for number 1 was yesterday Sunday, March 7th? And the student answered, no, it wasn't yesterday, Sunday, March 7th. Can you identify the problem with that? No, it wasn't yesterday, Sunday, March 7th. What did she do? What kind of mistake did she make? Well, she said yesterday 2 times. She said, no, it, and then she said, no, it wasn't yesterday, Sunday, March 7th. So you have 2 possible answers here. You can say, no, yesterday wasn't March 7th, or you can say, no, it wasn't Sunday, March 7th. But you cannot combine them. You cannot put them together. Let's see, did she make a mistake for number 2? No, number 2 was okay. But when we arrive at number 3, we see a problem, okay? Because I asked her, can you make the question? Can you say, tomorrow, Wednesday? How will you make that question? And what she said was, will be tomorrow, Wednesday, March 9th? What is the mistake there? What did she do incorrectly there? She said, will be tomorrow. But that's not what you do. You have to say, will tomorrow be? Will tomorrow be Wednesday, March 9th? Will tomorrow be like this? Will tomorrow be Wednesday, March 9th? Okay. And that is the question form. So if you want to make other questions, like what day, you must use the question form. What day will tomorrow be? Okay, let's move on. Okay. Okay. So now I give her a sentence. I'll give you a sentence, okay, which is, he takes the dog for a walk in the morning. He takes the dog for a walk in the morning. Again, this is beginning English, so it's very basic. But how do you make a question? How do you ask a yes-no question with the sentence, he takes the dog for a walk in the morning? He takes the dog for a walk in the morning. Can you ask a yes-no question with that information? Does he take the dog? Does he take the dog for a walk? For a walk? Does he take the dog for a walk in the morning? Does he take the dog for a walk in the morning? How would you tell me no? How will you answer no to that question? No. No, he. No, he does not. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't take the dog for a walk in the morning. No, he doesn't take the dog for a walk in the morning. How will you make a when question? When take dog for walk? When take dog for walk? When does he? You see, we have to use the question form. When does he? When does he take? When does he take the dog for a walk? When does he take the dog for a walk? Using the question form. So you see the question form is, does he take the dog for a walk? And then when you make the when question, you have to use the question form. When does he take? When does he take? When does he? When does he take? When does he take the dog for a walk? And the answer is in the evening. He takes the dog. He takes the dog for a walk. He takes the dog for a walk in the evening. Okay. Let's see, is there any other information here? Oh, just because this is basic English, let me just remind you that we have these phrases. We have in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. And it's always in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. But for some reason, if you say night, you have to say at night. Why? I don't know, but you just have to remember that. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night. Try to remember that. People always get confused with that. They always have problems with that. Okay, now let's try another sentence here. We've got, they are good friends. They are good friends. or they're good friends. They're good friends. How will you ask a yes no question with that sentence? They're good friends. How will you ask me a yes no question? Make a yes no question. Are they? Are they good friends? Are they good friends? Are they good friends? Tell me no. No, they. No, they. No, they are not. No, they're not. No, they're not good friends. Or no, they aren't. No, they aren't good friends. No, they aren't good friends. And what is the opposite of friends? Enemies. So let's say, no, they aren't good friends. They're enemies. They are enemies. They're enemies. They're enemies. They aren't good friends. They're enemies. No, they aren't good friends. They're enemies. Let's try another example here. We have she practices English every day. Just 1 second. I'm already losing my voice. It's only been 15 minutes. So again, this is an actual class I was doing the other day. So it's like we're having the same class. So we have she practices English every day. How will you ask a yes/no question with that sentence? She practices English every day. Does she? Does she? Does she practice? Does she practice English? Does she practice English every day? Does she practice English every day? Tell me no. Answer no. No, she. No, she. No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't practice. No, she doesn't practice English every day. No, she doesn't practice English every day. Okay. Now let's make a how often practice English question. How often practice English? How often does she? How often does she practice? How often does she practice English? How often does she practice English? We have to use the question form. Does she practice English? How often does she practice English? Question form. What is the answer? 3 times a week. 3 times a week. She practices English. She practices English 3 times a week. 3 times per week. 3 times a week. She practices English 3 times per week. Okay, let's try another example. We have he is tall, or he's tall. He's tall. He is tall. How will you ask a yes/no question with this sentence? He is tall. He's tall. Is he? Is he? Is he? Is he tall? Is he tall? Is he tall? And let's answer no. No, he is not. No, he's not. Listen. No, he's not. No, he is not. No, he's not. No, he's not tall. No, he isn't. No, he is not. No, he isn't tall. No, he isn't tall. He's short. That's the opposite. He's short. No, he's not tall. He's short. No, he isn't tall. He's short. Okay, let's try another example here. We've got it rains every June. It rains every June. How will you make a yes/no question with this sentence? It rains every June. Does it? Does it rain? Does it rain every June? Does it rain every June? Does it rain every June? Tell me no. Answer no. No, it does not. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't rain. No, it doesn't rain every June. Let's make a when question. When? When does it? When does it rain? When does it rain? It rains every May. Every May. It rains every May. It doesn't rain every June. It rains every May. It doesn't rain every June. It rains every day. All right, we have it will rain tomorrow. It will rain tomorrow. Or listen to how it sounds when people are talking. It'll rain. It'll rain tomorrow. It'll rain tomorrow. Can you make a yes/no question with that sentence? It'll rain tomorrow. Will it? Will it rain? Will it rain tomorrow? Will it rain tomorrow? How will you answer no? No, it. No, it will not. No, it won't. No, it won't rain. No, it won't rain tomorrow. No, it won't rain tomorrow. Let's make a when question. When? When will it? When'll it? When'll it? When will it? When'll it? When'll it rain? When'll it rain? When'll it rain? Oh, I put tomorrow for some reason. Let's say next week. It'll rain next week. It'll rain next week. It'll rain next week. All right, that was part of a much longer class, obviously, but that was really the speaking practice that we did in this beginner's class. And then I moved on to a more advanced class on Friday. Somebody